we think that you get different kinds of clients, and certainly those clients who are attempting or who wish to take control of their own investments and their decision-making process have a wide range of choices now, and they have access to information like they've never had before. You consider that, just 10 years ago, the ability to get something like this program, or the ability to get hold of company information on an equal basis as many investment professionals, was sort of a foreign concept. And now, if you are aware of where to get that information, it's freely available to the entire public, as it should be, to promote an efficient market. There's unfortunately part of that learning process that clients go through is understanding where they fit in terms of the information cycle, and also understanding their own abilities. And unfortunately, that is an area which I think requires almost experience to understand. It's all very well having access to all this information, but if you don't have the time or the knowledge to process it, you're still going to be at a disadvantage when you're trading in the market. And so when we say we get different kinds of clients, some clients are interested in doing that, and we're very happy to assist them. Other clients would prefer to minimize their involvement and ask somebody else to manage their investments based on a specific mandate. And so, as I say, we cater for all the clients, and I do think that the information that is out there is very, very rich and gives people who want to take it on themselves the best advantage they've had in history. From a trading perspective, there's a lot to learn. We, as brokers, deal with it every day, and we take a lot of the information that we receive for granted, and also just some of the ways things operate for granted. And so my advice to somebody who's coming into the market is to realize that they're going to be learning for a long time, and to keep within their competencies and within their comfort zones. Most of the problems that arise come from people who are trying too hard to make a quick buck, and think that it's easy, and have cottoned on to information which isn't quite accurate, which might have been manipulated in terms of the fact that people overstate how well they're doing. And it's not as easy as people think. You just need to look at some of the accurate statistics, and you would realize that if in order to make a living from trading, you need to be on top of your game, and you need to give it due attention and focus, because it's quite easy it's easier to get it wrong. A lot of people take it for granted that the numbers will come out as they originally expect, and they don't deal with the consequences of trades that go wrong. They don't have an exit plan, they don't have exit rules. And as anybody who's done a bit of reading on the subject would have found, the majority of what they need to do is dealing with the problems, dealing with things when they don't go as planned. Anybody can make money when things go well, but when they don't go as planned, it's the ability to exit that position, understanding the loss, and understanding that on the law of averages you will be able to survive and move on to the next trade, which will be successful. And so, take it slow, learn, stay within your core competencies, and be prepared to deal with unexpected outcomes, and deal with them decisively and in a disciplined manner, so that you're able to continue to implement your strategies.